Hello. We are here to introduce our revolutionary ACE Micromatic CNC simulator. For climbing CNC expertise mountain with only 5 steps in ladder program. What are the challenges in CNC learning? Technical complexity. Understanding G codes and M codes isn't easy, especially when moving from theory to practice. Error risks. Direct mistakes on real CNC machines can be costly, both in repairs and wasted materials. Limited access. Getting hands-on time with CNC machines can be hard, especially outside formal settings. Safety worries. Safety protocols can be intimidating, making learners hesitant to dive in. High costs. Renting machines, buying materials, and tools all add up, especially for beginners. To tackle these challenges, 1. Try CNC simulation software and CNC simulator for safer practice. 2. Consider structured courses or workshops for guided learning. With these approaches, learners can navigate the CNC learning curve more effectively and minimize financial setbacks. Embark on a transformative learning experience with ACE Micromatic Ladder Program. Introduction to ACE Micromatic Ladder Program. Step 1. CNC Basic Knowledge and Manual Programming. Build a solid foundation with hands-on experience in NC Editor plus simulation. Learn the essentials of manual programming and grasp the core principles of CNC machining. Step 2. Virtual machine and desktop machining. CNC controller operation and tool setting. Delve deeper into CNC operation and tool setting using our cutting-edge CNC operation simulation system for turning and milling. Gain confidence in setting up tools and executing precise machining operations. Step 3. CAD/CAM computer-aided design and manufacturing. Unlock the power of CAD/CAM technology with CAD/CAM module. Explore advanced design techniques and streamline your manufacturing process by generating accurate tool paths. Step 4. Training machine, CNC comprehensive operation, and ability checking. Challenge yourself with our comprehensive operation module. Test your skills and refine your techniques to ensure you're well prepared for the demands of real-world CNC machining. Step 5. Hands-on practice on CNC machine. Put theory into practice with hands-on experience on CNC machines. Master both turning and milling operations, while specializing in the FANUC and Siemens operating and programming systems. Join our ladder program with ACE Micromatic CNC simulator system and experience the ultimate pathway to CNC expertise. Whether you're aiming to kickstart your career or take your skills to the next level. Streamlined assessment with automated evaluation. Say goodbye to manual grading headaches. Our program incorporates cutting-edge automatic assessment tools to streamline the evaluation process for both learners and assessors. With automated assessment integrated into our program, both learners and assessors can experience enhanced efficiency, accuracy, and insights. Our program is tailored to meet your needs. Start your journey today and become a CNC master with ACE Micromatic, making the journey to CNC expertise smoother and more rewarding than ever before.